Is cotton gloves useful? Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing a cotton gloves. It's when overnight to help creams and ointments absorb into skin. Okay, yeah. I don't really know what the flipping brand is, but it says something beauty. 100% cotton. This is what the gloves look like. I had this for a while. I didn't know I was actually gonna make a video on it. I was not sure. Like, this is I'm doing how to's and what do you call it, unboxing, so I might as well. What's the point? So let's just unbox it. Yeah, you can see it's ripped just because of that. Who really cares? Keep staying out. Oh, very nice. That looks actually nice. Yeah, it's just a normal cardboard box. No one really cares about it. This is what the glove looks like. Look at that. It's 100% cotton, see-through. It's only used to help absorb. Let me just put it on. It's a bit of strange made gloves. I don't know what kind of mold they use to make this, but this person has a very strange hand. It's not gonna be sad or anything, because look, their small pinky is longer than the freaking index finger. Okay, there you go. That's it. That's how it looks like. It's used to, yeah, when you're sleeping and then let's say your cream, you don't want to scratch your skin and stuff like that. So basically, you just use this, put this on. But the only stupid thing about it, you're gonna have to like. This is really dumb right here because it can just like slip off within the night. It's like, let's say you're moving around and you move your hand and it slips off. So if it had rubber band on the side, that would be very good. It comes in a pack of 2. It costs £1. That's like 75 cents or something. I'm not sure. But anyway guys, this is going to be the end of my video. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more videos just like this, and hit the bell